Grand International 2025.
Miss Grand na.
Make some noise for your favorite queen, ladies and
Philippines o
gentlemen.
Thailand.
Make some noise.
Diyos ko, nagtatrabaho ako ngayon. Tinatrabaho ko itong Miss Grand International. Baka back to back o si Thailand bang mananalo o si Philippines ang mananalo. Oh my God. Oh my God, nagtapat si Bena at saka si Emma. Ito na. Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Grand International 2025 is
Back to back queen ang Miss Miss Grand International. Oh my God, Philippines, Emma. Congrats. Pero Miss Thailand, congrats din. Wow. So,
congratulations, Miss Grand Philippines, our new queen, Miss Grand International 2025.
Wala lang kung ginawa buong araw dito. Kundi manood ng Miss Grand International.
Congratulations once again. A fantastic performance here.
Si Marco, di ko na natulungan magtrabaho sa Grand.
Is Miss Grand Philippines. That of course means that
Miss
her first
Thailand,
runner-up
congratulations.
is Miss Grand Thailand.
Miss Philippines, I'm so proud of you. Emma. Miss Grand Emma, thank you so much. Nilaban mo hanggang dulo sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Sumuporta kay Emma. Thank you so much. Back to back wins sa Miss Grand International. Wow! Emma, tagyawan, Miss Grand.